For this bag, our labeled items will be antiseptic, your biohazard sticker. You want to label your gallon-sized bag and your sandwich bags with your pre-sanitized items. And then, of course, our EPA and hand sanitizer, which are already on our station. That is a part of. For this bag, our labeled items will be antiseptic, your biohazard sticker. You want to label your gallon-sized bag and your sandwich bags with your pre-sanitized items. And then, of course, our EPA and hand sanitizer, which are already on our station. That is a part of this section. For this section, you will have 12 minutes to complete. You will be informed when you have 6 minutes remaining. First thing we want to do is wear gloves, and then go ahead and set up our station. Our mannequin finger has already been marked with a simulated cut. As you can see, there's a black line that we're going to be using as our simulated cut. Okay, so using a cotton round, we're going to apply pressure to the simulated cut, holding it long enough to stop the blood. Next, we're going to clean the simulated cut using your antiseptic. After our cut has been cleaned, we're going to bandage the simulated cut and properly dispose of used materials. Once we're done, we want to ensure that our work area remains sanitary, replace contaminated items, ensure containers remain closed when not in use, our kit remains sanitary, and that we avoid cross-contamination. After removing all of our items off of our station, we're going to go ahead and remove our gloves by placing our thumb inside of the glove, sliding it off. In the opposite hand, we're going to go underneath and pull the gloves together, making sure that our hands never touch the outside of the glove. Once you are complete, you want to raise your hand to be graded.